little yogis. I'm so happy you're here. Let's move, stretch, and feel great together. Subscribe so you don't miss the fun. Let's go started. Lotus pose.
We start to climb.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chair pose.
Calm and happy yoga. Here we go.
10,
Hands up
9,
high
8,
and down
7,
below.
6,
Move your
5,
body
4,
nice and slow.
3,
Breathe in
2,
deep
1.
and let it go.
Mountain pose.
Stretch to the left, stretch to the right. Everything feels calm and light.
10, 9, 8, 7,
Calm
6,
and happy
5,
yoga
4,
feels just
3,
right. Calm and
2,
happy.
1.
Calm and
Boat
light,
pose.
you know.
10, 9,
We start to
8,
climb
7, 6,
down low.
5,
Touch
4,
your toes.
3, 2,
Feel
1.
the
Pigeon
quiet
pose.
in your nose. Calm and happy yoga. Here we
10,
go.
9, 8, 7,
Hands up
6,
high and down
5,
below.
4,
Move
3,
your body
2,
nice and
1.
slow.
Downward dog
Breathe in
pose.
deep and let it go. Stretch to the left, stretch to the right. Everything
10,
feels calm
9,
and light.
8, 7, 6, 5,
Calm
4,
and happy
3,
yoga
2,
feels just
1.
right.
Dancer
Calm and
pose.
happy, calm and light, you know.
10, 9, 8,
We
7,
start to
6,
climb
5,
and down
4,
low.
3,
Touch your toes.
2, 1. Cobra
Feel
pose.
the quiet in your nose. Calm and happy yoga.
10, 9,
Here we
8,
go.
7, 6, 5,
Hands up
4,
high and
3,
down below.
2,
Move
1.
your
Child's
body
pose.
nice and slow. Breathe in deep and let it go. Stretch to the left, stretch to the right.
10, 9,
Everything
8,
feels calm
7,
and light.
6, 5, 4, 3,
Calm
2,
and happy
1. Tree
yoga
pose.
feels just right. Calm and happy, calm and light, you know.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
We start to
4,
climb
3,
and down
2,
low.
1.
Touch
Crow
your
pose.
Feel the quiet in your nose. Calm and happy
10,
yoga.
9, 8, 7,
Here we
6,
go.
5, 4, 3,
Hands up high and down
1.
below.
See you in the next exercises. Bye bye.